Let's take a quick look at how to install the Google Nest Thermostat. So turn off power from your circuit breaker, and then let's go ahead and remove the cover. At this point, you want to take a picture of your thermostat's wiring. If you're following along with the instructions on your Google Home app, you will see all of these instructions clearly laid out. So I'll be following those with you side by side on this installation. Next, I'll remove the screws from the old thermostat. Okay, now that the screws are undone, I'll go ahead and remove the old thermostat and go ahead and label those wires. After that's done, let's go ahead and install the trim kit if you have one. Next, go ahead and fix the base plate on to the trim kit. Go ahead and insert the screws, and we're going to go ahead and attach the trim kit and the base plate with the same set of screws. Once that's done, let's go ahead and insert the wires into the right ports. So next step is installing the thermostat unit by removing the battery tabs and then attaching it straight onto the mount point. And once that's done, you are ready to go ahead and turn on your power and start configuring the thermostat unit.